If you've seen my other content, you know I travel a lot for work, but dealing with physical SIM cards in Paris or crazy roaming fees in Spain, not fun. That's why I always opt for eSIMs as a way to stay connected 24/7. And honestly, I think I may have found the easiest option yet, which I'll tell you all about in my Nomad eSIM Review 2025 edition. The first question we need to get out of the way is, what exactly is Nomad eSIM and who can use it? Rather than those tiny physical SIM cards that are impossible to get out of your phone and get lost within seconds, an eSIM is a fully digital alternative. You can purchase and activate a mobile plan remotely right from Nomad's app or website, so there's no need to ever visit a physical store. Nomad eSIMs can be used all over the world and are great for anyone traveling. Whether you're a frequent business flyer, digital nomad, vacationer, or maybe an expat jet-setting between continents, a Nomad eSIM is a real game changer. Before I fully dive into my Nomad eSIM 2025 review, it's important to first check that the device that you're using supports eSIMs. You can do this by checking the list of supported devices right on Nomad's website. All right, let's start off this eSIM review 2025 from step 1, purchasing and installing the app. As I mentioned, you can grab a Nomad plan either from their website or simply download the dedicated app from the Apple or Google Play Store. And since I know during your trip you'd rather spend money on having fun, that's why I've left a discount link in the description that'll get you an extra affordable Nomad eSIM plan. Thank me later. To get started, head over to Nomad's website or app and scroll through the available destinations until you find a plan that works best for your travel needs. Let's say you're going to Costa Rica, for example. Click on that tab, then choose the one that's the best for you. Next, enter your payment information and continue to checkout. Once that's done, click the Add eSIM to your phone button when it pops up, and now just follow the on-screen prompts until the installation is complete. Keep in mind, whether you have questions about the installation process or how to activate eSIM in iPhone, Nomad has integrated guides to help. Another reason why Nomad is so great for first-time users is because it also includes not one, but 2 ways to install the eSIM. If for any reason scanning the QR code doesn't work, then you can always manually input the data as well. Now, if we really want to compare providers and get a better look at which is the best eSIM for travel, we need to check their available locations. Nomad really takes the lead, with plans available in more than 200 countries, and none of the other competitors come close to this. And it doesn't stop with their abundance of locations. Nomad also offers lots of flexible plans with a full range of varying gigabytes and dates, so you can really customize the data to your needs. The single country plans cover one destination and have different prices depending on the plan length. The single-day ones are the cheapest. However, if you're longer than that, the 7-day or 30-day options have a better price-to-value ratio. I really appreciate that you can even pick how much data you need per day, making Nomad eSIM plans super customizable. If, on the other hand, you plan on visiting several countries, then the regional plans are ideal. Nomad offers 13 regional plans, so you can get data coverage in multiple countries with just one purchase. Again, to grab a Nomad plan for yourself at an even more affordable price, be sure to use the discount link I've left in the description. To ensure this is a thorough best eSIM review, we of course need to cover the product's performance. Nomad supports 3G, 4G, 5G, and LTE, and the speeds worked seamlessly when we tested them in the US, Mexico, and the Caribbean, though I noticed some lagging in more rural parts of Spain. Regardless, the speed rates were still decent for daily browsing. One drawback to their data plans is that phone calls are not included. However, I tend to use messaging apps like WhatsApp for my phone calls anyway, so as long as you have internet data, you can still call others. And especially for those of you traveling for work, having access to your phone's hotspot feature is a must, which is completely supported by the Nomad eSIM in iPhone and Android devices. If you found today's video helpful and you're interested in watching similar content, be sure to hit like and subscribe. To wrap up this Nomad eSIM Review 2025 edition, as you can see, the provider is clearly a solid choice for users who want data across multiple destinations, all in an easy-to-use app. Let me know in the comments below what is personally important for you when choosing an eSIM provider, and thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.